Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restore your deleted voice recording audio files on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen, and then swipe up to go into app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder and open up voice recorder. Next, you want to go to your voice recorder screen, or if you're in a list screen, tap on the more button at the top. In here, go and tap on the trash menu item, and then go down the list here and select the files that you would like to restore. So here I'm going to select 2 files, and then tap on the restore button. And once you tap on the restore button, it will now go back into the list. So if you're not in the list, tap on the list button at the top here, and it will list all of your available audio file. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.